let's do color matrix dot hue rotate. Oh, there's also a value multiply. Let's do the value multiply first, then we'll do the hue rotate. So again, this let's try this. Whoops, I gotta restore this image first. All right, let's try this, and there we go. That is equivalent to changing the brightness of the image. So we've already done color adjustments in the form of adding and multiplying, and we also did contrast, and this is also now doing brightness. All right, so let's restore that, and we'll do dot hue rotate, and this should be equivalent to changing the color temperature, somewhat similar to rotating the hue, but it's going to be more like a like on an old-fashioned television. It's going to be like the color adjustment, sort of. It's going to sort of change the color temperature. So this is going to be in the range of 0 to 360. So we want to do this a little bit different. We want to get rid of that plus. It's going to start at 0 and go to 360. So we need to do a little math formula here. Make that times 1 divided by 255. That makes it into value in the range of 0 to 1, and then multiply that times 360. All right. And put the correct number of brackets thingies in it. All right. That looks right. Yes. Okay. Let's try that. And there we go. Okay, that is working. So if we rotate it to the left, we'll see that's kind of going into a blue tint. If we start on this side and rotate to the right, it'll go into kind of a yellow tint, eventually turn red. There's some nice purples in there as well, and it does sort of saturate. That's just part of the math. Gets really red or really blue at some points, but this is a good way for adjusting color temperature. And that's about it for the color matrix. That's really all the major color adjustments that we support in Howler in the API at this point. So unless you want to code your own, which is certainly something you can do, but that's the main things we do with the color matrix. And when we come back, we'll talk about, I think, the transformation class as one of those other fundamental image processing types that we have in Howler. So thanks for watching, and talk to you then.